Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi to look at their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Butternut squash blend is $3.29 and it looks delicious. Oh my goodness, guys. Woo. So let's see what's in it. So it's the butternut squash and spinach with red onion and cranberries in a garlic herb sauce. Ooh. And it is 16 ounces. Then they have the colorful carrots in cauliflower florets for $2.29. This is the colorful cauliflower, the colorful carrots. 5 LED poke lights with remote control, $12.99. Great deal, guys, for 5 poke lights. And you know you can use these in your kitchen, your closet, your bathroom, anywhere you need just a little light. Okay, and right here we have the bamboo round tray for $9.99. Really, really pretty. Hand blown glass pumpkins, $14.99. Really, really nice. So here's one. Oh, isn't it pretty? It is heavy too. And they have this one. And I love them both. Pumpkin and gourd bowl fillers, only $3.99, guys. So they have this one and that one, the orange one and then the blue one. Such a great deal. Berry, good and berry, vegan, good organic smoothies for $6. Oh yes. It has 4 grams of protein per serving. And we have the Arby seasoned curly fries. Oh my goodness, they are $4.96. A great deal. Pizza Kitchen buffalo style chicken or cheeseburger pizza for $4.59. There it goes. Buffalo style chicken. Rita pumpkin crust pizza for $3.79. Then they have the breadsticks here for $3.09. This 50 by 60 cozy throw is $20. They have different patterns. So this is one. It is so soft. They have this knit material, really soft. Then they have this one. They also have the knit material in that blue and cream or tan and the cream. A 1200 watt portable patio heater. It is $50. Large faux plant. It is $15. This large faux plant. It is $15. It is ceramic, and they have this design, and then they have this smoother feel pot. Yes. This 24-inch solid metal frame wall clock, it is only $20, guys. And here are all the different designs they have. Really, really pretty. $20, come on. Such a great win. These huge whole turkeys. So they're gonna come in 16. They're gonna be between 16 and 22 pounds at $1.59 per pound. Now they have the duck here. The duck is $3.69 per pound. I see one for $22.18, and there's one for $23.03. Chicken, red pepper, or turkey, pork, spinach, meatballs, only $5. Oh yes. Then they have the Swedish meatballs as well for $5. They have the breaded flounder and Parmesan tilapia for $6. It's going to be right here. Oh, and it is 16 ounces. Okay, the 4x60 Wolen Runners. Guys, they're only $10. These deals are just getting better and better here at Aldi. So they have this one, beautiful 20x46 gourmet. It is only $12. So this one says home sweet home. And let's see. I can't pick this up, but I'm sure there's one that's going to say welcome. And they are huge. Absolutely huge. Beautiful ladies ponchos. Absolutely beautiful. They're only, what, $10. So they have this one. Isn't this lovely? They have this color or pattern. They have this one. And they even have this one. So this here by Specially Select is everything bagel cream cheese stuffed breaded shrimp for $5.79. You can get a serving of 3 out of that one. And then we have the breaded chicken parmesan chicken patties. They are $10. We have the spooky nuggets by Tyson over there for $6. So let's see here. The spooky nuggets. Oh yes, by Tyson. Fully cooked, breaded shaped chicken patties. Excellent source of protein. The manicotti or stuffed shells, they are $4.49. Great deal, and they're between 16 and 20 ounces on those. Queso or beef stuffed nachos, $3.99. 14 ounces on that one. Longotino tails, okay, for $12, and this is 12 ounces. The snow crab cluster, wild caught, is $16.99. The plush pet bed for $20. Oh, my baby would have loved this. Oh yes, so beautiful. So they have it in pink, brown, tan. Yes, those are the 2 colors, and they also have the smaller round beds right here for $10. Let's get a better look. There it goes. It's really pretty. So they have this one, and those 2 right there. We have Specially Select spinach and goat cheese, or goat cheese and fig for $4.49. So this is the goat cheese fig and the spinach goat cheese here. Looks really delicious. They also have the flatbread for $3.99. So this one is the pumpkin and feta flatbread. And this one is the beet and goat cheese flatbread, extra thin and crispy. Okay. The 12 Italian style mini pizzas for $3.49. They have the margarita and they have the spinach. Specially Select caramel apple or apple berry blossoms, $3.29. So right here is the Sunday Shop Italian ice cream cups mixed assortment for $3.99. So let's see what we have here. So we have the chocolate hazelnut. This one, yes, hazelnut and cappuccino. Pretty good variety. Crustless peanut butter and grape jelly sandwiches. You get a set of 4 for $3.69.